Many who deny God demand, if God is real, let us see him and his angels with our own eyes. Then we will believe, we will worship, we will never sin again. But have you ever thought, what would happen if that really occurred? If the creator of the universe and his angels appeared openly before humanity, then where is the test? Where is faith and disbelief? Where is reward for good deeds and punishment for sins? Where is obedience and disobedience? Where is heaven and hell? The whole system of this life and the hereafter would collapse in an instant. When the presence of the Almighty is visible to every eye, who would dare to sin? If you could see angels beside you, who would choose to lie, cheat, or harm? Faith would no longer be a choice, it would be forced. And without choice, there is no test. And without a test, there is no reward. Today, more than 8 billion people live on Earth. Since the beginning of time, trillions have come and gone. And until the day of judgment, countless more will be born and pass away. Should the laws of God be canceled, the test of life be ended just to satisfy the demands of a few thousand stubborn deniers? Would the records of the faithful who lived and died believing without seeing be erased for the sake of a handful of skeptics? Faith is believing in the unseen in God, his angels, his revelations without needing physical proof every second of the day. This is what separates the believer from the disbeliever, the sincere from the pretender. If the test is removed, so is the meaning of this life. May Allah guide us and guide those who still deny him. May he grant us the wisdom to understand his plan and the strength to remain steadfast in faith.